Greetings and welcome to your Biological Sciences Combined course. This is Professor Febres, and the purpose of this video is to let you know how to obtain detailed information about when your exams and virtual labs and they're due. Um, if you guys go to your tab here where it says modules, that's where everything for this course is actually posted. The course is actually divided by modules, and every module or every week, you guys have to complete one module. As you see week number 3 goes from September 3rd to September 9th, and this is all the work that is going to be. It looks like a lot, but it's really not that much. I will go over that on the next video, which is showing you how to complete the modules. But for this one, if you guys need to know when exams and or virtual labs are due, this is your orientation module, and there's a lot of information in here about the college resources. So I'll let you guys click on those and wonder. But the one that I want to go over so that you guys know where to find things, this is like the old version of how we used to give you information about the course. This is the syllabus. And so if you guys, the book information is in there. And if you guys scroll down, a couple of things I want to bring to your attention is after you review the course, please shoot me an email letting me know that you have reviewed this course and that you understand all of the rules and procedures. Do that by August 29th. It is actually a required activity for you to do in order for me not to withdraw you from the course by this date. This is the withdrawal policy for this course. Withdrawal deadline this fall is October 27th. I don't think you will need to withdraw from the course. It's really easy and straightforward, but if you need to, that's the withdrawal. And then if you scroll down, there's a lot of information, but I think most important is the schedule for what is due when. So if you look, exams and quizzes are on this column. This is actually the top date is when the module becomes available, and the bottom date is when the module is due, or when everything within that module is due. And then this column basically has the information about the chapters in the book that is assigned for this course is. And so that's the chapter 5, sections 5.1 to 5.11. And then this third column is actually the virtual labs. And on a different video, I will go on to how to access the virtual labs and how to complete them. But this link and video is just to show you where to find all of the information of all of the work that is due for the class. This course has it's an essay as a final exam. The deadline for that essay is December 6th, and I will actually give you the details on what the topic and details for the essay sometime around October. You will get that. So what I will do is I will stop now, and in the next video I will go over on how to complete modules, and then there will be a third video on how to complete labs. Thank you.